Look at him. Putting that work in. Finally, huh?
Looking good.
Huh? Hey, white guy in a white bay. Look at that.
White guy in a white bay.
The bay's actually whiter than you, dog. Yeah.
Surprising.
Surprisingly. But we out here. Another damn paradise.
I got it.
Nice.
See, this is sexual education right here. See, when you're going in, you need lube. Because if you don't have lube, then it gets stuck.
That's cool. But a couple weeks ago, he primered his bay. So now we're here to finish it. Good old spray paint base special. You know, engine's out. Why not?
What was that 14 on that gun still?
On these nuts. But I'm gonna set up all this up. And then, see right there. Or that's the orange one. Got some of that just in case. Because we are doing the inside. Got some Bondo. We gonna get it. Rip, should have done that.
I know. It's good. We got air pressure. You actually might need to turn it on. This shit was more.
Plug it in. Plug it in.
I also got the heater on it though too.
Hot gloss. Bam! That was the last coat. And then gloss. Didn't shave the holes or anything. Just got all the unnecessary clips and sprayed it. So, not bad. This is all spray paint, by the way. So, had our white primer and then white high gloss. We're gonna put the same clear.
Oh.
2 coats probably.
Yeah.
And then let it sit for a day or two in here. She be sparkling. That's fine.
I didn't really want to add any to the bay or anything. I just wanted to keep it plain flat.
Oh yeah.
Just a nice glossy white bay. That's all we need on this. It would be nice and clean though. Real nice and clean. Clean hoses, clean wires, clean lines. Clean bay, clean engine block, head. Hopefully air intake, starter, all that stuff. Just paint it up and nice and custom. So we got the brake booster off. We're gonna have that right back there. We're gonna do some sort of canvas idea on that as well. So.
Yeah, that's what I told this fool to do. Why not? It's already out, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll figure something with the brakes. We'll convince this dude to buy a brake tuck. You should buy a brake tuck.
What do you mean a brake tuck?
I'll show you right here. Ooh, what a nice day.
What's up? You get sucked my balls. Oh, I didn't know we were recording. I saw it.
We out here another day in Chirac.
It's too bright, bro. I can't see.
It's a little bright.
I can't see exactly.
We can push it forward a little. We'll push it forward. Huh?
We might need to.
Let's do it.
Why? What, Sandy?
Steer straight, too.
Girls overhead and they talking about that FUN. Leg it in. Range Rover is what I'm tryna F you in. Talk is cheap, lies are sin. Let's just do it. Nike shit, fairy tale, Lil Red. Ride me like I'm in the hood. Blowing on that tree, we good. He roll up, I wish he would. Petty niggas run their mouth like engines, so they wish they could. Need to get your mind right. Pussy run your intuitions. Bitches only hit to fill the gaps. Then them chicks is missing. Then them chicks is different. And then them chicks be kissing. Other chicks on the lips, man, that shit's exquisite. Place is official. We party all the time. And you should come through with your friend and sip a Cardi line. We don't fuck with them girls who think they hard to find. They want attention.
To get smooth, you feel it where you sand. You want to feel also while you sand, because you want to sand. You start feeling rough. That's how you start getting to the paint.
Feels pretty smooth to me.
Yeah, so once you get nice and smooth by the touch, you get all the little imperfections out. Wipe it down, clean rag, and should be ready.
Push road up, Henny in my cup, and that's perfect for our tonight. And we gon' do it at night, at night, at night. And we gon' do this at night, at night.
For 2020, but I got this carpet somewhat clean, but not clean enough. But, you know, sound ending out. Dustin's here. Smoking stove. My little man's with me. Say what up. But I'm gonna continue to rest this out, knock this part out, there and there, and then I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna take off that, take off that, take off those. And then sand it up for primer and white paint. Just like we do with this bag. Let's go look at this bag. What's up, buddy? Just white. Plain old white. Pretty white for a white guy. Oh boy.
And it's about to go down, 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 down. It's about to go down.
Alright, cool.
So that was about, I don't know, 8 minutes. Got all that out. We hit that backside, and well, sound ended.
Get it. One step closer. One step closer.
Space Jam J. Shut the alibi.
When you wake up, do you think about me? Bet you think of all the fucking paper I'ma see. Yeah, I bet you thinking about the dog, but I'll let you
Oh. You ate? Oh, I almost got there and there. Probably another 10, 15 minutes.
Hey, let me show them what I did in front.
Well, let's put it in the light.
Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna take this out of the way so I know what I'm doing. So we know what we're doing, where we're going right here. Alright. Gotta hold this shift linkage up at the bottom at the same time. Boom, like that. Let's go check her out in the front. What progression we got done. Sorry, headphone users. Got that going. Woo! Look at that. Coming together. Fuse box painted, battery holder painted, brake booster painted. Full clear on the whole body, or the whole bay, I should say. It's been a long day. Sprayed out there as best I could. Yeah, it's coming out nice. Only big imperfection I had was right here. We had a bug get in it, but as you can see, we basically got it for the most part. I was gonna redo it, but we'll just throw the light on anyways. Wasn't it? Got it all cleaned up. Now we're taking out the sound detonation right there. We actually didn't use dry ice. We just, you know, went and hammered it away. Most people say dry ice. He just went for it. I don't see too many spots where it scratched into it or anything. Definitely gotta get all the rest of that out of there. But it's looking pretty good. Probably gonna cut about half the carpet out. Thinking maybe like right here where these bolts go for the actual seat mounts, cutting the carpet right there, having this all the way back. We're gonna paint it white, so we're gonna go in. I think we're gonna pressure spray it out, get all the, you know, debris out of there. And after that, we're just gonna get it all painted up. We're probably gonna chop off that back end like a half moon, do some deletion of, like, you know, extra tabs, stuff like that. This guy just, you know, full race car mode is what we're going for. So that's what we're going for. I just ordered the turbo kit today. Stay tuned. Hold on. Turn that off now. My Civic, look at it. That is why, this right there, is why we're doing all this. Crash the back end.
God, I fucking wish. Oh, fucking full sand. We're putting in the last fucking bit of hardware for the last one right now.
ARPs.
ARPs.
Lord bless the ARPs.
Woo, Lord bless.
How are they looking there?
Ooh, fucking beautiful, dog.
You can tell they're ARPs. If anyone ever tells you that they have ARPs and you
they
look
are not
and they are
12
not,
points?
yeah, if they are not 12 points, they don't have
Tell
the,
me bullshit.
yeah, if they don't have that little, the octagonal tip, what is that, Allen wrench? If they don't have the Allen wrench tip on them,
Yep, that too.
they're not ARPs. Don't even listen to them. Ah, good shit, man. That's the last one right there.
That RTV held up really nice.
like sticky.
Yeah, because you're heating it up. Like tar. See, if we were to dry ice it, none of that would have left behind. But, oh well. Learn next time. Sun going down. A little sunset. It's about to be 7. Got the first coat down. Woo! Looks good on camera. Yup. That's how you make cheap race car right here look good.
Cheap race car.
Cheap race car look good. See, doesn't it look fresh?
It look fresh. Looks a lot fresher than the red that was in it after we fucking got everything out. That's for damn sure.
Yep.
When you get on the inside, she gutted from the back. And it's just getting together. She's getting nice. But he's talking about, you know, removing all that center console stuff like I have. I think he's just chalking styles. But whatever, you know what I'm saying?
The cannon, the cannon, the cannon, the cannon,
I'm so faded. Baby, I'm so faded. They say I'll make it. Tell me don't forget it when I get famous. Visions blurry. There's girls I came to see. Robitussin and Dro got me so on gangsta lean. Laying low in my mode, waiting patiently. Just slit your boyfriend's throat, girl, he's just a lame to me. I am on that grown shit, he is on that old shit. I just popped the pill, man, now a nigga rolling. When I'm not sober, I tend to feel more focused. Marijuana's potent, it's